Let me walk you through how I made this video with the help of AI tools.
Midjourney for creating cool images, ID for animating and providing a voiceover ChatGPT.
For turning my draft into a correct video script, and VidIQ for creating an optimized title description.
Tags and hashtags for YouTube SEO. Midjourney of Tool 1.
Welcome to That iNinja though before we begin, the channel where we demonstrate how to make quick money utilizing cutting-edge AI technology. Consider watching this video, subscribing, and clicking the notification button to stay updated on the latest and most popular money-making strategies. This way, you'll be notified whenever fresh content is posted. Step 1. To make a character for your video, open a new window and go to Midjourney. To learn how to create an image using the Midjourney version for beta, click the tutorial video link in the video description if you don't already know how to use it. You can copy my instructions to upscale to a 16:9 aspect ratio from the video description. Then upscale it and save it to your computer after choosing the best image. Visit did. Next, go to d-id.com and register using your Google, Facebook, or email account. So DID's generative AI technology elevates video content for professionals in the fields of marketing, learning and development, and customer experience, CX, as well as for content creators of all sorts. Our platform enables users to generate photorealistic digital humans from text, dramatically reducing the cost and hassle of video production at scale. Customers include Fortune 500 companies, marketing agencies, production companies, social media platforms, leading e-learning platforms, and content creators of all sorts. Our solution is available through a self-service studio and an API for enterprises, makers, and developers. DID was established in 2017 and is backed by Tier 1 VCs. Over 110 million videos have been created using our technology. Recent clients include Warner Brothers, Pictures, Publicis, Mondelez, Skildora, and MyHeritage, who have used DID's platform to create extraordinary experiences. Giving a face to conversational AI chat DID is a web app that uses real-time face animation and advanced text-to-speech to create an immersive and human-like conversational AI experience. The free app lets you speak face-to-face with ChatGPT, digital creations for human imaginations. Use the latest generative AI tools to create talking avatars at a click of a button using the Creative Reality Trademark Studio. Supercharged with Stable Diffusion and GPT-3, the self-service studio lets you turn your ideas into stunning videos that are personalized, cost-effective, and engaging. Reduce the cost and hassle of video production at scale in over 100 languages with zero technical knowledge. Built for developers, DID's API is robust, massively scalable, and super simple to use. Integrated in just 4 lines of code. It now also supports streaming generation of talking head videos from an image and audio file. Build a whole ecosystem around our platform. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Click Create Video and then add to upload your character image. Step 3. Add your script and select the language, voice, actor, and style. After setting everything up, click Generate Video and wait for the generation process to complete. Step 4. Play and check your video. If everything looks good, download your video from Tool 3 VidIQ. Step 1. Open your VidIQ extension. If you don't have one, you can install it in your browser. Link in the video description. Step 2. Ask VidIQ AI to make your title more SEO friendly. You can ask for multiple options and choose the best one. Step 3. Ask VidIQ AI to create a video description from your new title. Step 4. Ask VidIQ AI to check for the best keywords to create tags for your video. Step 5. Ask VidIQ AI to create hashtags for your video. Copy them all to Notepad. Step 6. Don't forget to say thank you tool to ChatGPT. Create a draft script for your video and ask ChatGPT to create a production script for you. Tool 5, Audacity Step 1. To record the text-to-speech voice, use Audacity. Step 2, reopen d-id.com and put the ChatGPT generated video script there. Select the voice actor, language, and style. Play the script while using Audacity to record the voice. Combine the audio and video after finishing each stage, then upload the outcome to YouTube. Use each title, description, and tag that the AI generated.
Congratulations! A YouTube video developed by AI was just produced by you. And that's it for today's video.
Awesome work! You just created a YouTube video using the power of AI. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this new technology. Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest AI developments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.